Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Saturday, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my spring Decocrated box. I'm going to just pop the box into frame right here. So as you can see, I already unpacked everything. I have to try to do this video in a somewhat timely manner because right now we're working on crate training Penny, and she's doing pretty well in there at night, but during the day I'm still trying to get her used to being in there. You might hear her barking in the background. My apologies if you can hear it. My assistant, Mr. Kong, is over here enjoying some quiet time. But yeah, so I'm gonna be sharing the spring Decocrated box with you guys today instead of my weekly home fragrance roundup. And I really like getting the Decocrated box. They do send me the box, but this is one where I would totally buy this one. It's a seasonal box, so it comes every spring, summer, fall, winter. I would totally pick this one up because I have enjoyed almost every single thing that I've gotten in the boxes, and they have sent me the fall and the winter one. So this is the first time that I'm getting the spring box, and this particular box is meant to just kind of freshen up your home. It's kind of like in the spirit of spring cleaning, if you will. So Decocrated is nice enough to send me these boxes, and they also gave me a coupon code. I will list the coupon code down below. Actually, here, let me also tell you just really quickly because I have it pulled up on my phone. It's MrKongsMom 10. I will also put all of the information in the description box, so make sure that you check down there. So this box did start shipping on March 1st. I just got mine in the mail a couple days ago, so I kind of feel like maybe I'm getting mine just a little bit late. Some of you who are already subscribed to Decocrated probably already have your spring box. So when you sign up for the very first time, they are going to send you a little frame, and I wish I would have brought it down because I still have mine from last fall. There is a picture of it in here. So the very first time that you order, you're gonna get this frame right here that has that little clip at the top. And each season, Decocrated has partnered with a specific artist to create some unique art that you can put in that frame. So you're gonna receive one of these little cards. They are always double-sided. So the one for spring says, stay focused and extra sparkly. And the other side says, tell me a story with flowers, which is kind of cute because I'm a florist. So I might actually put this into my office in another frame because I think it's perfect for my office space for sure. I really like the colors that they use in here, and I just think it's very sweet. So I believe this is just kind of like a 4x6, probably the size of like a regular picture. And let me turn that off. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting this in my office, but you can put these in those frames, in the frame that they're gonna send your way. So again, this is the frame right here. If you watched my fall unboxing, it was in that box that I got that frame. So let me see here. So the purpose of the decor pieces that they give you in here is to make it very easy for you to update your everyday decor in your house. I am going to be doing a spring summer home decor tour, but I'm not going to do that until about May because there's some things that I'm still working on. And but I will do that. So you will see these pieces incorporated into my house once I do that that tour in May. I really think it's very easy to take any of the things that you get in the Decocrated boxes and just put it in with what you already have going on. And there's some really cute stuff in this month's box. I especially love the pillowcases that they send. I'm gonna be going down to my local TJ Maxx and just picking up some cheap pillows that I can easily cover up with these pillows, or maybe even just grab some kind of like seasonal pillows that, you know, like Easter themed or something that once Easter is over, I can put these over top of. So really, these are meant to be just everyday collections here. You're not gonna find anything like super crazy or off the wall. It's very simple pieces that you can, again, plop into what you already have going on and just have them look really good. I really enjoy following Decocrated on Instagram because I find a lot of inspiration from them on how to style the different things. I have to admit, when it comes to decorating my house, I have a pretty decent vision of what I want it to look like. But sometimes I need some inspiration. I am not someone who kind of naturally comes by things all the time. Sometimes I need to see how other people are using certain pieces, and then I can figure out like, okay, I really like the way that looks, but in my house, if I just tweaked this one thing, it would fit in perfectly here. So I will link the Instagram for Decocrated down below. They also have a blog where they talk about, you know, different styling options and how you can utilize the pieces that they send you in the seasonal boxes. So yeah, anyway, so all of these things are super cute and I'm so excited to share them with you. They also send you obviously the really nice little booklet here, and they've got some styling ideas in here as well. And one of them I was really excited to see because immediately when I saw this particular item, I was like, I want to use this outside for this purpose. And when I saw it in here, I was like, yes, okay, yeah, I'm on board with them. So anyway, let's get into it. Okay, first things first, you are going to get these really cute little cork drink. I totally forgot what they're called. Oh my gosh, I'm having a brain fart. It's because I'm getting such little sleep these days with Penny. They are drink holders. Coasters. They're coasters. And this little extra one came in the front here. So you will receive a set of 5 of these. These are super fun, and I am gonna be putting these outside. Not right now, I need the weather to get a little bit nicer, but these are gonna go outside on our back patio. We have a really nice covered patio, and we have a really nice table out there. And during the spring and summer, we spend all of our time in our backyard. We're really lucky with this house. We got an amazing backyard, and one of the things that I was kind of looking for out there at some point were some nice coasters, and these are just really lightweight. They're the cork, so they're fantastic. They're not like the really heavy like marble ones. I have some marble ones in our family room, but I wouldn't want to use something like that outside. So these are going to be perfect. So love those. The second thing that you're going to get in this box, and I really like this a lot. This is a clock. You have to put the battery in. So I don't have the battery for this yet, but I'm actually gonna be putting this on, you guys see that entry table right there in our foyer? I'm gonna be incorporating that over there. I really love the style and the color of this. It is ever so slightly distressed. I'm going for a little bit of a like French country vibe in the house. Not everything that I own is French country, and I don't necessarily want it to be, but that's kind of the style that I naturally gravitate towards. But I need to make it work with what I already have, because when we moved in here, I wasn't gonna like replace everything that we owned. But I wanted to make sure that anything that I was bringing in a little bit of that flavor while still being able to work with what we currently have. So I'm gonna be placing this over there, and it'll be nice to have this in the entryway because that is an area where, you know, oftentimes when I'm getting Stella ready to take to school, I'm like, what time is it? And I have to walk into the kitchen to the clock that we have there to check on the time. So this is gonna be really perfect for that area right there. So that is the second piece. I'm so excited to show you guys these are so cute. I love how like thick and durable the pillowcases are that Decocrated includes in their boxes. They also have these really great zippers on them. So like you can very easily stick your pillows in there and switch them out seasonally. This is a really cute double-sided, like, I would say this is like a peachy coral polka dot with the flowers in that peach and kind of mustard yellow on the front. I'm gonna be putting this in our family room. It's just gonna like brighten things up a little bit in there. It's kind of a dark room. And then this one as well. I love this one too. I love the little like, little tassel-y ball things here. I don't know what these are called, the fringe or whatever. But so this is a larger pillow. So you're gonna be getting 2 pillowcases. This one is just black and white striped on both sides. So you're gonna get both of those in this box. There is a double-sided sign, and a lot of times when they do these like inspirational signs and stuff, they do make them double-sided. I typically do not hang stuff like this. So what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to do this with this one. I normally take the little things out, the little hook, eye hook things. I think that's what they're called. So you just undo it. So you can very easily take that off, or if you do want to hang it, obviously put that in there. I did this with my fall one as well, but it's double-sided. So this one says messy bun and getting stuff done. I don't think that I'm going to display this side because I really like this, and I want to actually put this in Stella's room because I think it's kind of a nice little message. Today I will be strong, brave, kind, and unstoppable. Today I will be fierce. I just think that's a really good message for Stella to see every single day. So I'm gonna go ahead and I will put this in her room. I might actually hang it. I'm trying to think, this might be really cute in her bathroom. So I will post a picture of this on Instagram for sure once I get it into her room. I'm gonna try to like surprise her with getting her room painted either this spring or early fall. She really wants to like fix her room up, and I think that this will be perfect in her little bathroom there and something that she can see every morning when she's brushing her teeth. So I really like this a lot. And you can see here, if you do ever want to like put this back in, it's very easy to, where did this little string come from? To just screw it back in, and you can reattach that little hook very easily. So it just goes right back in there, and then you can hang it up if you want. So that is included. There's also this really cute clipboard. I actually like this a lot. So it does come with a chalk pen, and you can use the chalk pen obviously on here, or you can use this to write notes on. So this is something that I am going to keep in the kitchen because after I had my daughter, I became like the most forgetful person ever. And so I have to write everything down because I will have something pop into my mind like, okay, here's a dinner idea for this coming Saturday when our in-laws are coming over. And then 5 minutes later, it'll just be like poof. So when I have a thought, I'm going to put it on here. And this chalk pen these are really easy to use if you've never used a chalk pen. You basically just take like a wet paper towel and you take it off. But these are nice because they don't like smudge. I don't have this one primed yet, but when you first get it, shake it up a little bit, and then you have to like press it on like a surface, and it releases that chalk paint into there. But so yeah, this is gonna live in my kitchen where I can put notes on it whenever things pop into my head. I obviously spend the bulk of my day in the kitchen cleaning. Because my daughter just makes a mess every time she eats something, and I swear she eats something like every 2 seconds. So that's going to be a good place for me to keep this, and I really like that a lot. I think it's super cute, and I think it's nice that they included the pen. The second to last thing I'm going to show you guys is this really cute faux succulent. Fake succulents can look pretty bad sometimes. I've seen some bad fake succulents, but this one here actually reminds me of the quality of the fake succulents that I get at the flower market, which are much nicer than the ones that you get at like TJ Maxx or Home Goods or something like that. This one is really, really nice, and it almost looks real. Like if you're not like holding it up to your eyes, you would probably think this one was actually real. So anyway, it comes in this nice little ceramic pot. I haven't decided where I'm gonna put this yet, but I have a feeling that I'm gonna put it somewhere in my downstairs powder room. There's like a little area in there on the sink that just, I always look at it and think like, I feel like I need something for that. So I feel like this is gonna be perfect, because if it gets wet, it's totally fine. It'll be really easy for me to clean this. So if you ever want to dust something like this, you can just like dunk it in some warm soapy water and then rinse it off. And then like it's good to go. So anyway, I really like this. I think that's super cute. And then here's the last thing. This is so cute. I was actually just at Home Goods about a week ago, and I was looking at a very similar wooden crate that was for forks, knives, and spoons. Again, I'm thinking about this for our outside deck area. So we would store these little guys in here in the corner. The one that I saw at Home Goods, I want to say was like either $29.99 or like $34.99. It was about the same size, very similar look to it, very similar material. So, but it was kind of expensive, and at the time I was like, you know, I'll wait until we get a little bit closer to summer and then I'll come back and pick this up. But I'm totally gonna use this for that purpose. So I'm gonna show you how they put the forks and knives in here, because they did something really unique. The one that I saw at Home Goods had like 3 dividers in here, just wood dividers. This one is open, so that's nice. You can use this for arrangements, obviously. So here they just have 3 mason jars that they put some floral arrangements in. That would be super cute on a dining room table. But where is the picture? Oh, here it is. So they put, again, mason jars inside, and then they labeled it knives, forks, and spoons, obviously. And then they put the little napkins at the end here. I'm gonna be putting my little coasters in there at the end. But they also, and you will see this like throughout the catalog when you look at it, if you've gotten previous seasons boxes, they actually show you different items from previous seasons that you might already have. So for example, this tray came in the fall box, but they used the little chalkboard tags that they sent. Again, I think that was in the fall box, either fall or winter. I want to say it was fall. I used mine in my closet to organize my big closet that I have underneath the stairs here, but I can go pick up a few more of these at Hobby Lobby. I saw them at Hobby Lobby, and this is what I'm going to put my knives, my spoons, and my forks in to be able to take outside, because I don't really like setting place settings out there, because there is like pollen and stuff that, you know, I usually have to wipe away. So I want to just have this in my kitchen so that I can put the forks, the spoons, and the knives whenever we need them, and we can just carry this whole thing outside, and then, you know, as people are eating, they can grab their different utensils and yeah, use them that way. So I was really excited about this one. I like the little like leather handles on it as well. I just think this is super cute, and I'm super pleased with that. So overall, the spring box I think is fantastic. I want to make sure that I didn't miss anything here. So fully curated seasons delivered to your door. Yeah, I think I got everything in here that I wanted to. Again, the coupon code will get you $10 off your first box. I will put all the information down below. I'm sorry that this video was just slightly scatterbrained. I am still learning how to live life with a puppy now, in addition to everything else that I have going on. So this is definitely not, this is not my best work, but we're gonna go with it. Let me know if you have any questions about the Decocrated Curated Home Style Box. If you got the spring box, let me know what your thoughts are about it. If you have never gotten it, is this something that you would be interested in? I know some people like to get inspiration for home decor and fashion and beauty and stuff like that, and others are like, no, I just want to do this all on my own. So for me, it's super helpful, because I think it's helpful for me to see how other people style, and then from there I can kind of go and do my own. And I'm just looking at this box, and you can see Penny got a hold of it. This cracks me up. Look at this. This little nugget is chewing on everything. Anyway, all right, that's it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Saturday. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.